Just give me a second, I'm nearly there. Flying is easier than key turning. After having a parrot for a while, you'll realize that lavish outings are unnecessary since you're already their personal amusement park. My first objective for 2024 is to pedal hard and make my ex regret ridiculing my little legs. I'm the only one who receives your snuggles, so please don't share them. Having a bird is like having a feathery magnet that follows you around every day. All right. I initially assumed that rubbing these two objects together would suffice. If you think cat claw sharpening is unusual, wait until you see how parents sharpen their beaks. Human foods remain an enticing food source for birds, despite the abundance of excellent bird seeds available. My birdie rule is to groove whenever the mouse moves.